Lineated Barbet. Scientific name, Silopogon lineatus. Malay name,
Tako kutok Timor.
Chinese name,
斑头绿拟啄木鸟
Tamil name.
Nilvari kukuruvan.
Luminous green barbet with a streaked grey-brown head and a flesh-pink bill. Bare patch of orange skin around the eye creates a monocled appearance. Not as shy as some other barbets, frequently perching up on exposed branches. Inhabits deciduous forests and edge areas, as well as parks and gardens.
Thank you for watching. To view more wildlife clips, please visit to my YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/@alparamalam1550 and kindly click the subscribe button.